Hey guys, more gaming here, and today I'm pretty fucking pissed. Basically, this is my Xbox One. It's all connected up in the back there, all connected up. There's my Xbox 360 there, and basically I got a new. I already had an Xbox One, but first of all, the disc fucking didn't work. Which, when I played Dead Rising, the disc didn't work on there, so that was fucked, so I replaced it. And now it doesn't turn on. Everything, I've played it once before, it was all fine. I've been doing this every time it's done. I'll show you now. It goes like that. Turns off. Do it again. Turns immediately off. Turns immediately off. And then look, that's the thing that see, it doesn't work. Try and turn it on from there. Nope. So I'm going to have to replace this once again. And it is fucking BS, and I'm pissed. Some fucking £1 billion Xbox and it doesn't even work. Well done, Microsoft. Well done. Let's try it once more. Oh, look at that. No. No, off. No. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and peace. Yeah.